Triple black 1996 SVT Cobra, super clean, super original, 28,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. So we have a 1996 triple black SVT Cobra with a verified 28,378 miles. I have the clean Carfax, I have the original window sticker, have the Marti report, and this is actually a SVT Cobra that I've owned a couple of times. I sold it, I bought it a couple of years ago, probably I think it was 2022. Sold it to a really good local customer of mine that plays with them for a little bit and then trades it back in on something else. So that's how I got it back round two. And it's a no-nonsense car. It is super stock and very clean front to back. For the 96 Cobras, you have your 4.6. They make 305 horse and 300 foot-pounds of torque, so they run well for what they are. Factory AC blows cold, 5-speed manual transmission shifts great, the clutch feels good, engages where you want it to. Hydroboost with discs, power steering with rack and pinion. And this one is, again, very stock mechanically, still has all of the factory exhaust from the motor, transmission, rear end, exhaust, steering, brakes. Everything is pretty much OE spec and it drives like a brand new car. On the interior, it's code 4J, which is your black leather interior. If you know these cars, the leather is really known to not hold up very well, but this one is in excellent condition. You have a little bit of bolster wear on the seat back and the seat bottom over here on the driver's seat, but it's really minimal. Still very, very nice original leather. The console's in excellent condition. No weird smells in here. The passenger seat is great. The back seat doesn't look like anyone's ever sat in it. Inside the convertible top is very nice. It is obviously a power top and it works great. Gauges are all factory and easy to read. You have your white face gauges, 160 mile an hour speedo. Everything on this car, front to back, inside and out, top to bottom, works like it should. If you check out the additional informations tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com, you will see a screenshot of the Does It Work section, which outlines all of the items that do work, and it will show you the original paperwork that we have along with it. We do have 2 keys and a single key fob, which is on this send key ring here. Carpets, mats, again, dash itself, all is very clean. Door panels look great. You have your factory Ford stereo with the CD changer down low. To be honest, I don't know if the cassette works or if the CD works because I don't have any to put in there, but the radio itself, when you kick it on, does play sound, powers up, so that works. But the likelihood of someone throwing in some CDs in there, just kind of to each their own. I don't have any to put in there, unfortunately. These are just easy cars to drive. A lot of fun to drive, have good performance for, again, being a 90s car. They're not like new stuff today where you can go buy a 500, 600, 700 horsepower car from the factory, but 305 horse, 300 foot-pounds of torque, they run well. Easy shifts, and we'll shut it down there. Underneath on this Cobra is super clean. Floors are great, nothing's out of place. It shows like a brand new car on the underneath. You'll see some photos of that here in this video, but it really represents like a low mileage car on the bottom. The exterior of the car is fantastic. It is code UA, which is the black paint. It is all original paint. It's got some little stone chips, it's got miscellaneous imperfections and flaws, but for overall, for being original paint from 96, it does show excellent. In my additional informations tab on the website, you will see photos of the small little imperfections, some small little stone chips, factory SVT wheels, tires are in great shape. I believe they're a 2022 date code. So really no complaints as far as the cosmetics go. You have your factory digital clock, which is working. Gauges are all reading, temperatures come up good. All of your suspension is gonna be factory SVT Cobra suspension. Performs excellent, no shakes, no shimmies, no pulls left or right. It stops true, it stops straight. No weird sounds coming from the front or the rear. It really, again, drives like a really low mileage and almost like a brand new one. Glass is all in excellent condition. You have a couple very tiny little road nicks on the windshield, but it is minimal at best. Power windows, power locks, cruise, tilt, power mirrors, all your creature comforts work like they should. Driving position is, again, comfortable. This is a power adjustable driver seat. You have a manual passenger seat. I like the way the console's set up with my right arm. Shifter's in good shape. or is in a good position. Like a lot of muscle cars or late model Mustangs, Camaros, pretty much anything, I always do like a short throw shifter. The original shifter, there's nothing wrong with it, but just the throw on them is pretty long. So if you are trying to bang gears, a short throw shifter is always a really nice, easy addition. But we'll roll into the throttle here. Wind it up some. Forgot to mention you have your rear defrost that works like it should. Button clicks on and off. The little light lights up on it when you kick the defrost on. Inside the trunk's all OE and factory back there. Nothing's out of place. Nothing's really been messed with. It all shows like brand new. Pop the hood. It's a OE spec SVT Cobra engine compartment. This is the numbers matching 4.6. Charging system's doing its job. Fluids are all clean and ready to go. I would have no problem hopping in this car and going anywhere someone would want to go. Obviously, with any older car, you never know when something simple can go wrong, but this is a low mileage car. I'd have, again, no problems driving this thing every single day if you want to. Taking it on a road trip, it drives excellent. Trip meter's rolling like it should, odometer's rolling like it should. Really short disclaimer list, comes down to a couple small little imperfections which you are going to get from a car that's a 1996. But overall, front to back, inside and out, this is just a really fun, really nice low mileage triple black Cobra. There you have it. As always, I'm Mike. This is a 1996 Ford SVT Cobra convertible, factory triple black, 28,385 miles. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out the content across all of our social platforms. Check us out at PCClassicCars.com, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.